Hi guys, so I'm here in Cancun and I'm just gonna show you guys their food. So this is Grand Park Royal Luxury Resort. So can you imagine there is cantaloupe, they have a mango there, they have a pineapple, uh, watermelon, so they have a guava, watermelon. That's one. So sobrang ganda po dito. Ito po yung mga pagkain po nila. Ayan po. So, na-amaze po ako. Kasi sobrang ganda. Kasi galing po ako ng Cuba last year. So yung pagkain po hindi po, okay po siya pero hindi po ganun ka sarap kaya dito. So they have a green juice. So you can see that one. That's veranda. So they have green juice, orange juice, then grapefruit juice. They also have the apple juice. They have a pineapple juice. So these are the, so you can see guys, tables is huge. Malaki po dito. Nandito po marami pong tao actually. So ito po yung mga ano po nila. Ah, salami po, turkey. So pakita ko po sa inyo yan po dyan. Hindi ko po alam kung visible ba siya. So, yan. Yan po. Ito po. So, yan din po. Tapos, meron po silang eggplant. Yan, eggplant po. Tapos, yan. Ito po yung bread nila. Tapos, yan po. So, napakarami po nilang pagkain dito. So, malaki pong ano to. So, dito po, meron pong um, kung gusto niyo po ng egg, egg po, pancake, nandyan po siya. Tapos, dito naman ay sa section na to, meron pong, um, meron po dito, ayan po, ayan po siya. So, sila po, niluluto po nila yan. Sasabihin mo lang kung anong gusto mo at niluluto nila. So, meron silang onions, tapos ito ay peppers, tapos meron po dyan yung parang noodles. Kumukulo po siya, ayan. So, yes, ito po siya. So, sobrang laki po. Tapos meron pa po dito. Dito po tayo. So, napakarami pong ano. So, mababait po yung mga tao dito. Kaso, they speak Spanish po. So, they have a hard-boiled egg here. They have this something. And then, they have vegetables. Yan. So, meron din po sila dito. Yan po. Tapos, meron silang iba't ibang klaseng egg. So, nire-replenish po nila yan after po pag kunti na lang. So, meron silang sausage. So, meron po ito para po to sa porridge po. Yan po. Yan. Oatmeal po siya with milk. So, yan po. Tapos ito po ay, meron po silang hot chocolate po. So, hot chocolate siya. Tingnan niyo po yung hot chocolate nila nandyan. Tapos meron silang potatoes. Tapos yan po mga vegetables nila. So, ito po, tinikman ko po yan, tamales. Tapos meron sila dito. And then, meron din sila nito. Ano to? So, fine herb siya. Tapos, egg. And then, ito po yung champurrado. Beans po pala siya. Ito champurrado beans. Tapos yan po. So, tapos meron silang mga, ano dito, mga cinnamon roll. Yan. So, ang ganda. So, tikman niyo po. Ayan po, oh, cinnamon roll. Tapos, meron din po sila nito. Yan. Mga bread nila. Tapos, meron din sila nito. Pancake, maliliit na pancake. As yan. So, ito po yung, kung gusto niyo pong lagyan ng mga condiments, nandiyan po. Yan. Meron po silang maple syrup. Tapos, yan, marmalade. Tapos ito, yan. Tsaka yan po. Tapos sa labas po may mga bread din po. So, ang mga water po nila. So yan, yan po yung day 1 po namin dito sa Cancun. So ang dami pong tao. So day 1 ay inclusive po lahat dito. So yan po. So Pakita ko po sa inyo. So, I'm going out now. So, this is it, guys. So, it's so busy. So, you can see. Oh, it's so hot. My gosh. So, I'm done for my breakfast. Tapos na po ako nag-breakfast. So, ito po yung labas. Pakita ko po sa inyo. So, yan po siya. Yan po. So, ito po, Grand Park Royal Luxury Resort. Yan po. So, ito po yung labas. Labas po niyan. So, yan po ang labas. So, ayan. So, dito po tayo. So, yan po yung labas po niyan. So, marami pong tao. Tapos, yan po yung loob. So, dyan po. So, yan. So, ayan po. Dyan po ako nanggaling. Dyan po ako kumain ng aking breakfast. So, sobrang ganda po. Malaki po dito eh. Ayan po tayo. So, ito po. Dyan po. Yan. So, ano po to, ginawa po namin. Binook po namin to last year pa, December. Nung Boxing Day po sa Toronto. Nag-ano po kami, nag-book po kami. So, kaya nakuha po namin to all-inclusive po. So, ito po yung pool number 1 nila. At saka dito po nag-show paggabi yung aqua show. So, i-video ko din po yan. Makikita niyo po yan sa aking video. So, dito po. So, ito po ay dining din po pala dyan. Pero under renovation po siya. So, yan. Under renovation siya. So, ayun. So, nililinis po nila. Nililinis po nila yung coconut. So, ito po. So, dito po yung Aqua World nila. Water fun. Hi! Hola, I'm good. How are you? So, water fun activities. So, you can... yes. And your name is?
My name is Julio. And that is
Julio.
what we have. Before you buy something,
Uh-huh.
money is talking.
Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah, you're gonna pay, right?
You pick any two activities for that prices. That can be the parasailing, one of the
Uh-huh.
ones we have at the bottom, like that one.
So,
And the other one can
that's
be
the
the speed
combo.
boat.
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay, yeah.
So, they have here, guys, they have the parasailing. They have a jungle tour. Oh, wow, they have a lot. So, Julio is showing us.
One of you driving,
Mm-hmm.
and then you do some snorkeling at the coral reef.
Oh,
If you're
wow.
not fan of the snorkeling, you can stay at the boat.
Uh-huh.
The value, one person, $70. If you are like a 4 people,
Yeah.
we have a price for a couple or for pair, $99.
Oh, wow.
50 each.
So, 50
you-
each, so
are you,
it's, you can save.
Are you a
Save
diver?
You save like a $20. I'm a school instructor.
I was gonna say you look like a scuba. Yeah.
I'm a school instructor. I train people to do scuba. By the way, at 11 o'clock, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
Yeah.
1 hour class in the pool.
Wow.
They're gonna be diving in that beautiful place. That is Islam Therapy.
Oh.
One of the most fantastic. Some people are worried about, oh, I need to have my license.
You use this so that they can hear you. You can hold it.
Oh.
Okay, so can you please explain what did you do here in Aqua World, the water fun?
My goodness.
Okay, there you go. So how you will explain to that guy? There you go, the instructor.
Hola, my name is Julio. I'm the scuba instructor from the hotels. We don't need to be certified divers for that beautiful experience. It's in the Isla Mujeres. We do 1 hour class in the pool, 3 days in the week. Today is one. And then after the class, you're gonna be diving like that, guys. The place we can see trumpet, parrotfish, lionfish, maybe turtle, barracudas, different multiple fish in that place in that area. I had 2 different options: one class, one dive, and it's 145. One class, 2 dives, one here, and the second is at the Musa. Musa, what is Musa? Is the underwater museum.
Oh, that's beautiful.
See?
Statues and stuff.
What if for some reason, and the family they say no diving for me, and one say I go for diving? They do snorkel, the other one does diving. See? And it's important for diving to have no situation with trouble with your ear, your heart, your lungs, no asthma, and no high blood pressure. And this number 6, the most important, no trouble with your credit card.
That's the most important thing.
See, back to this part. Remember, you do speedboat, the one that you drive your own boat, and a combination with that one, 120 package for 2 activities, una persona. And if you don't swim at all, you say, I have the submarine take you out, cross the lagoon, get to the place.
Parasailing sounds kind of fun too.
Uh-huh. And do
Going up in the
something. That one, if you don't want to leave the resort, we do in the neighbor hotels. Is we just walk on the beach.
Yeah.
Today is fantastic because we have no wind. The sea conditions are perfect. The value one person in the parasailing is 75, 2 for 140. The best promo today, ladies free, you pay doubles.
I love it. That's good.
Nice. That's nice. So yeah. So thank you so much for sharing that. And
Anytime.
I know I have a lot of viewers that maybe they want to come at this hotel. Would you like to promote this hotel, this resort?
Come to this hotel. It's gonna be beautiful. We have a rebuilding in this part, and then the other side, but it's gonna be fantastic. Right now, it is fantastic, and it's gonna be more than that one. So don't wait
that's
too much.
perfect.
Just come and see us over here.
That's right. And how many years you're working here?
And this place and the company I have
Yeah.
for the last, I came in August 2000.
Oh wow, you've been here for a while.
And here I'm back and forth. And we are in different hotel, but I like this place
You like it.
because
You
we have
enjoy it.
from different nationalities, and that pushed me to learn another language.
Perfect. So you're good. You speak English very well.
I try.
Yeah. Thank you so much for being part of this live